Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you're interested in joining Infinity Processing System, but some chance you're just watching this video, you have no idea what IPS is. Let me give you a quick rundown. Infinity Processing System is a online affiliate marketing training system. It actually teaches people how to earn commissions by using social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, using classified sites like Craigslist, YouTube, all of the major platforms. It teaches you how to market on these platforms and earn commissions. Now, this is a paid system. There's 3 levels you can come in at: a $50 level, one-time fee, a $150 level, or the $300 level. The $300 level gives you access to all of the training involved with IPS. And then you got the $50 level, which is the starter, which gives you good training, and it allows you to earn $50 commissions over and over again. There's a lot of people in Infinity Processing System at all 3 levels, right? So if you're interested, come in where you fit in, right? Because you could always go from the $50 training to the $300 training once you start getting commissions. But damn all that, what this video is actually about is what to expect from your Infinity Processing System sponsor. Because when you come in, everybody has a sponsor, right? So if you decide to jump in IPS through me, right, then I will be your sponsor. How you doing? It'll be my pleasure, right? Or hey, you might, you know what I'm saying? You might be looking at other people and you're interested in somebody else and you join them. But I'm going to tell you what your IPS sponsor should be doing for you after you join them. Okay, so a lot of people get it confused on, you know, what their sponsor should be doing. But this is my take, my opinion. When somebody joins IPS, right? I'm gonna say for me, if you join me, right, my job is to get you plugged into the system and help you get started in every way possible to get you off in the right direction. So when you join, all right, you know, I'll connect with you. I'll say, hey, you know, do you want to set up some sort of communication, whether it's on Facebook, text messaging, phone call, Zoom, or whatever, right? I want to reach out to you and help you get going, right? So first thing I do is plug you into the Facebook private coaching group. First thing I'm gonna do, right? Once I get you in there, the next thing I'm gonna tell you to do, I'm gonna help you get set up, make sure your back office, you got access to your trainings, and I'm going to say, hey, go through all the training. Because depending on what level you at, really every level, they have a good amount of training that you should go through. You need to go through, right? A lot of people join and they don't even go through the training. They're just like, yo, how do I start promoting? But you really should go through the training because A, it's good training. You actually learn some stuff. But B, this allows you to really know the product that you're promoting, right? When you go through the training, you know exactly, you know, what you're talking about when you're actually promoting the system itself, right? So my job is to get you into the coaching group, make sure, you know, you go through the training. And if you have any questions with the training, you know, give access to me so I can answer any questions for you. But then like share with you, you know, what my experience is with the system, right? I personally want to know how I can help you get started when it comes to reaching your goals. I really want to know how you plan on promoting the program, right? So I want to answer any questions and share my little tips and tricks with you to help you get, you know, off to a good start. A sponsor is supposed to, you know, talk to you every day. And am I supposed to do the work for you? Am I going to, you know, make posts for you, right? No. Am I going to make videos for you? Hell no, right? My job as your sponsor is to do that, sponsor you and get you going, right? So I see so many people join the system and they're like, yo, I haven't heard from my sponsor. My sponsor didn't help me at all. Now, if that's the case, you got a whack ass sponsor, right? Because any of these programs where you have a sponsor, they should help you to a degree, right? Don't expect a sponsor to move in with you and start cooking you breakfast. No. But a sponsor should be accessible to you to a certain degree, and they should definitely share with you, you know, any advice to help you be more successful. Your sponsor should do that. Your sponsor should give you different resources, right? If something I notice is working with promoting an infinity processing system, it's my job to tell anybody who joined underneath me, well, not underneath you, but anybody who I sponsored, it's nothing for me to shoot them a quick message. Hey man, I've been doing this YouTube thing, you know, check this out. Or hey, this Facebook ad been working good for me, right? So, I mean, that's what a sponsor should do when people join. And some of them with IPS, there are some really good sponsors out there. And some, they don't care. Some, they just get you in, get the money, and they keep it moving. But if you think about joining the system, you know, pick the sponsor that you rock with. Pick the sponsor that you feel comfortable with, that you feel like, hey, I could communicate with this person. I think this person will help me out. That's who you should rock with when it comes to really joining any program, to be honest with you, where there's sponsors involved. You should think like that. But like I said, don't expect a sponsor to do everything. Don't expect them to, you know, like I said, call you every day and, you know, nah, don't expect all that. Because ultimately, it's going to be your efforts that get you that money and to help you get to where you want to be. It's you got to do the work, right? A sponsor should guide you, but you have to do the work. So if you do decide to jump in Infinity Processing System at whatever level you get in on, like, be prepared to go through the training and put time in. Make sure you're willing to put the time in, and you will start seeing results. All right. And you will start, you know, earning those commissions, building up that confidence, building up your income, and you'll be glad that you joined. So if you want to join Infinity Processing System and you want me to sponsor you, the link is below, first link in the description. You can also reach out to me on Facebook, send me a Facebook friend request, a message, whatever, and I will help you get started ASAP. All right. See you in the next video. Peace.